Hello dears, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will prepare an anti-eye wrinkle mask. After use, the skin becomes young and wet. This mask is suitable for all skin types and all ages. Moisturizes, nourishes, reduces fine lines and wrinkles.
For this mask, we need egg yolk,
sour cream.
Sour cream whitens, moisturizes.
We're going to add cornstalk to this mask.
Starch tightens the skin.
Apply the mask to cleanse skin.
This mask can be applied to your face, neck, and hands.
Avoid the area around the eyes.
Apply the mask, gently massage the skin for 5 minutes.
Apply the mask, gently massage the skin for 5 minutes.
Next, apply a moisturizer to your face. Mask course 1 to 2 times a week, 2 months.
Before applying the mask to your face, be sure to do an allergy test.
Is this the recipe? Be sure to share the results.
Dear friends, if you are interested in natural beauty masks, subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to write your thoughts in the comments. We are very interested in hearing your thoughts about the video.